Hello and welcome to the Today We Craft channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make felt sunflowers. You're going to need the 2 leaf templates. These are downloadable from todaywecraft.com, link in the description below. You're also going to need orange felt for the inner flowers, yellow felt for the outer flowers, brown felt for the inner and outer circles, sewing scissors, a needle, and corresponding thread. Start off by cutting out the petals. You're going to need 14 of each. You're also going to need to cut out the 2 circles in the brown felt. If this is your first time here, then welcome to the channel. My name's Jo, and please do consider subscribing. It really helps the channel out, and it also means that we can continue making more videos for you. Once the petal has been cut out, you want to fold over the left wing and then fold over the right. This gives you the basic petal shape. This we want to sew on around the outside of the larger of the 2 felt circles. Once the outer circle is complete, you want to repeat the process with the inner petals. Fold over each wing and place it between 2 other petals. Sew on all the way around as before. Once the inner circle of petals is complete, take the smaller of the brown felt circles, and we're going to be doing a simple running stitch just in and out in a spiral shape. Place this over the centre of your sunflower, and you're going to be sewing all the way around the outside to secure. Make sure you leave about a 1 to 2 centimetre gap at the end. I'm going to be stuffing this sunflower with all the little offcuts of felt, although you can use regular polyester toy stuffing as well. Once it's been stuffed to the desired amount, sew up the gap. And that is your finished felt sunflower. You can do anything that you like with it. You can put it onto a funky autumnal wreath like I've done here, or you can sew a safety pin onto the back and wear it as a brooch. The opportunities are endless. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you haven't already, please do subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That way we know that you like our tutorials and want us to make more. See you next time!